welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you a word building exercise using pink object box tree. This exercise reinforces the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. It will also teach the child that words are made up from letter sounds, and most importantly, it will also help to develop the child's vocabulary. So let us watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to do a word building exercise using objects from box tree. Are you ready?
Yes.
Judith, let's look at this object over here. Do you know what we call this?
A zip.
A zip, that's right. Can you place it over here? Let's make the word zip. What sounds can you hear when I say zip? Very good, Judith. Zip. Zip. Very good, Judith. What other sounds can you hear when I say zip?
E.
E. Very good, Judith. So Judith, shall we sound the letters together?
E. P.
Shall we read the word?
Z.
Very good, Judith. Let's look at another object. Do you know what is this?
Bib.
It's a bib. A bib is a small piece of fabric where we normally put it under the baby's neck so that when the baby is eating, he will not dirty his clothing. Bib.
Bib.
Let's make the word beep. What sounds can you hear when I say beep?
B.
B. Very good, Judith. B. B.
B.
What other sounds can you hear when I say beep?
E.
Yes, E. Beep. Beep.
B.
Yes. Well done, Judith. Shall we sound the letters together?
B. E. B.
Very good. Shall we read the word?
Bib.
Yes. Let's look at this object, Judith. Oh, this looks like the cover of a pot. But we have another name for this cover. We call it a lid.
Lead.
Lid. Let's make the word lead. Lead. Good. Lead.
E.
Lead.
Lead.
Yes, Judith. Shall we sound the letters together?
Eid.
Shall we read the word?
Lead.
Well done. So, shall we read all the words together one more time?
Zip.
Yes.
E. Bib. E. Lead.
Well done, Judith. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again.